Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 that's $249 worth is the most worthy Apple Watch contender. In fact, it's the best smartwatch for Android and the most compelling Wear OS 3 smartwatch. It offers two different designs, and yes, one of them maintains a fan favorite rotating bezel. The latest smartwatch is the first to run the new unified Google Wear OS software and comes with body composition analysis. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the best smartwatch for Android. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is our second choice among the best smartwatches, as it's the best Samsung watch. Samsung ditched the active branding for its latest lineup, instead pitching a sporty looking Galaxy Watch 4, the company's flagship, and the classic version that carries on the luxurious characteristics like the physical rotating bezel, both starting at $249.99 and $349.99 respectively. Thanks to a 3-in-1 health sensor, the Galaxy Watch measures heart rate, takes ECGs, and reads body composition. And while it gets appealing Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Wear OS features, it still pays homage to Tizen, making it the ideal accessory for the best Samsung phones. Note that certain features are exclusive to Samsung users, so not all Android users will benefit from all the Galaxy Watch 4 can do. The Galaxy Watch 4's main setback is inconsistent battery life, but as long as you don't mind a daily charge, you will benefit from onboard GPS and always on display, excellent sleep tracking, and more. The specifications in a nutshell are: it has 4 size variants, that's 40mm, 42mm, 44mm, and 46mm. The battery life is 40 hours. It has GPS, it is swim proof, it has LTE, and it supports mobile payments, that's Samsung Pay. The reasons to buy Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 are slim design and fun watch faces, improved Wear OS software, body composition analysis. If there is a reason to avoid this watch, is its inconsistent battery life.